It is a very unfortunate incident. It's a very old wall which I saw it from my eyes. I think it is not a new wall. I think one side a lot of mud has been packed there and some trees has been put there. So I think it could not withstand the strength, what I could see. But anyway, my GBA officials have already asked the PW to examine and give a report on this. I also already instructed on this issue. I think already 8 deaths has happened in Bangalore, as per the reports now. 7 here in this Shivaji Nagar. One is with the Vega City Mall. There's some electrical line, I think the report is there, some due to electrical, this one death has happened. Here all of them were on the street vendors. 5 of them were the street vendors, one including a child. A 6-year child has been death has happened. 2 have been dead from the Kerala. In that Kerala, about 56 people had come to Bangalore to visit, to do marketing, to see the church and all. There is an institution called Kutumbashri. They were on this healthcare issue. They had come for the propaganda. A team had come, about 56 people. Some of them had come in the bus, some had come in the flight from Ernakulam. So some of them was doing their shopping. Since rain came, they were trying to do shopping here, and some of them hiding before the wall. By the time this big rain has come and the wall has fallen on them, and accident has happened, and 7 deaths on the spot. So still 3 of them who have been from Kerala also have been identified. They are out of danger. They are okay. I spoke to them personally, and I met the team captain also. Today, I think immediately we will, already my CM has announced whatever the composition is there. But composition will, there is not an issue now. We are very sorry, it is unfortunate this issue has happened here, accident has happened here.
Whatever CM has stated, based on that we will take follow-up action.
GBS, what next course of action, sir? Because the rain has started now. What is the next course of action by the GBA as far as infrastructure developments are concerned? Because rain has, just now it's the first day of rain.
See, it is like this. We have checked up. What we have done is all our teams are on the ground checking for locations wherever there has been perennial cases of flooding. So all of those areas are being intensively relooked at again, and some new areas have cropped up. We will see what can be done to ensure that the immediate wherever water is there, we will be able to remove. Not many. We have checked up.
Sir, many roads are waterlogged. How do you see them? Have you managed them? Many roads are waterlogged.
Yeah, we are taking action to ensure that there will be, wherever there is any logging of water logging spots are there, our areas are there where we know possibilities of flooding takes place, they are being treated immediately. We are taking action.